Hi, I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Fabio Leonardi tomato squeezer to make pepper sauce. This machine is going to do all the work for you. It's going to take the skins and the seeds out. It will be discarded through this end here, and then the pulp and the juice will be dispensed through the screen into the bowl. To make red pepper sauce, you're going to remove the green stems of the peppers and then cut the peppers into quarters. You can leave the seeds in and then bring them to a boil and cook them until they become soft. I'm going to drain them from the water, fill the hopper up. You never want to run the machine dry, so always making sure that there's food in the hopper. And then we can go ahead and turn the machine on. Using the tomato milling attachment for red pepper sauce ensures that the seeds and the skin get discarded through the side, and then you're left with this smooth sauce texture with the juice and the pulp of the pepper without the seeds and the skin. You can cook this down and treat it like a pasta sauce. You can use it in soups, in rice dishes, you can add it to chicken recipes. It is very versatile and commonly used in the Portuguese cuisine.